make sure to stay until the end. One simple mistake, guys, will actually lead to that hot burning smell, and most people will do that eventually. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW. Any BMW, anything from 1 series to 7 series, anything from X1 to X7. If you have one of those and you guys have hot burning smell coming from the wheels, guys, or the brakes, stay with us. We'll explain how to diagnose that, how to tell if it's a bearing, if it's a brake. All that, guys, will be covered in this video today. So make sure to stay until the end. And one of those could be your simple mistake that actually led to that thing, so we will explain what it is. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos, guys. We're constantly getting new cars here at the garage, working on that BMW now. We got a Dodge Challenger that will be working. We have more than 15 vehicles waiting to be shot, guys, so videos are coming all the time. If you need help with anything, leave a comment below our videos and we'll try to make a video for your problem. That way we can help you, we can help other people with that problem, and we can build a community where we help each other. If you need to buy any parts tools for your car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, guys, and you can save a ton of money. Specifically, we'll be demonstrating on a BMW, guys, here X4. Let's talk now. Okay, you walk out of your car. Imagine that. You drove, you come out of the car, you stop somewhere for a stop to go to a gas station, bathroom break, anything like that. You walk out and you smell, guys, burning smell coming, okay? Coming actually from your vehicle. A burning hot smell from the wheels. And it could be just a single wheel, not all of them. What can easily cause that, guys? It could be multiple things. It could be, in some cases, bad bearing here. It can overheat. It could be a bad brake system as well. We're going to talk about that, guys, but how you can actually, guys, easily find out about that. Okay, let me just get the thermometer quick. Sometimes when you stop your vehicle, point it towards the hub and check out the temperature of the hub itself, where the bearing is, and then point it at the disc and try to do that without actually, guys, using the brakes to see where your problem is. If the hub is warmer than the disc, probably the problem is in the bearing. If the disc rotor is actually warmer than the hub, that's where probably the problem is in the brake system. So talking about that now. What can easily cause, guys, that hot burning smell? Most likely you have dragging brakes or problems with seized up brakes, guys. Let's talk about that now. What can cause dragging brakes? Now, one thing that can easily cause dragging brakes, guys, could be if you replace brake pads, and I've seen many people will not do that. You will need to remove these pins. Often it's even recommended to replace these pins, guys, with brand new ones, because they do wear out. You may have rust build up, and that can, guys, cause, okay, that surface not to be nice and smooth like it should be. Also, they need to be greased with brake grease. We use the ceramic silicone brake grease, which is amazing. So replace the brake, okay, the brake pins, and replace the guides right here and the seals as well. That's quite common because that allows your caliper to move left and right to center itself, otherwise it could be dragging. Another thing that can be causing, okay, dragging could be a piston, that caliper that seized up. When that happens, actually the caliper piston will not go back in. Every time you apply the brakes, it's supposed to expand, right? So it compresses the brakes towards the disc, that way you slow down. But if, guys, that piston is seized up, sometimes they'll have an obstruction on the inside or buildup that will not allow them to go back a little bit. You will have constant pressure on the brakes, and as a result, guys, okay, you will have dragging brakes that will get hot, and as a result you have that hot smell coming from the wheels. So it could be seized up caliper. We will have a video how to fix seized up, how to repair seized up caliper on the channel. That could be caused by a vehicle that hasn't been driven for a while. It could be because the brake system hasn't been flushed, old brake fluid. Multiple things can cause that, the wrong type of brake fluid as well, or just a caliper that's old. You have a seal on the inside that can be causing that problem as well. Another thing, guys, In some cases it could be a brake disc rotor that's uneven, that's wrapped, it's called. It's actually, guys, have low and high spots, and that can cause the brakes to overheat, especially slowing down, because the brake pads will be practically contacting not the whole rotor, just some surfaces, and that can cause overheating as well. So, but the most common ones will be here and here, causing your problems, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having a BMW trying to find out this information. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.